I'm back. I answered I was not recording while I was doing this. This is it, and I put the one in the back. Okay, this might be a good pet. Again! Oh, bro. What the frick? What the freak? What is the freaking? Such a gut. Get down. Good job, overnight. I got one just like that. Here. Right there. Okay, bro. Okay, bro. I can't believe I'm saying this again, but if y'all know the blob, how you just see, is that it? Okay, water beetle. Okay, don't know if that's good. Okay, bye bye.